Tired of logging out of Discord just to switch accounts? Learn how to swap profiles in under 30 seconds. First, I'll show you how to add a second account. Then, you'll see how to switch between them instantly. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Then, in the bottom left corner, click on your profile avatar or icon. In the menu that appears, select Switch Accounts. Now click on Add an Account to bring up the login screen. Enter your secondary account's email or phone number. Then type in your password. Click Continue to log in. Now, to switch between accounts, just click your avatar again. Then choose Switch Accounts and select the profile you want. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.